A fresh landslide was reported along the Laitlyngkot Pynursla stretch of the Shillong Dawki Road project on the 25th of September 2025. The area has witnessed recurring slides since the commencement of the construction. Speaking to media persons, Tesbor Langkongrom, the assistant PRO of the YFC, the firm executing the project, confirmed that controlled blasting had been carried out on the 24th of September near Pomlom, close to Laitlyngkot, after conventional excavation methods proved ineffective. Kongrom acknowledged that the subsequent landslide was unexpected, attributing it to the fragile geological condition of the hills in the area. He also confirmed that several workers sustained injuries during the incident. The company has urged upon the public to remain patient as clearance and restoration work is currently underway at the affected site.